How are you now?
I'm good. D250781.
Your age?
I'm 23 years old.
Married or single?
I'm single with one child.
Ages?
4 years old.
Your educational background?
High school graduate.
Do you have working experience as helper?
Yes, here
Where-
in Philippines.
For how many years?
2 years.
How many members of the family?
4 members of the family.
How many children?
2
Ages?
infant and 4 years old.
Okay. Your household duties?
Washing clothes, dishes, cooking, and watching the kids.
Okay. What is your reason to work in Hong Kong?
To have a better future for my family and high salary also.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir. But I am eager to learn.
Do you know how to teach the children?
Yeah,
What subject?
math and English.
Okay. Do you have any nursery rhyme?
Yeah.
Sing it.
1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter engine, 4 letter, 5 letter, 6 letter engines, 7 letter, 8 letter, 9 letter engines, 10 letter engine boys.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will tell the employer immediately and I will check their temperature.
Okay. How do you handle a situation where the children in your care are fighting?
I will stop them and tell them fighting is not good.
In taking care of member of the house, which one you like the most?
Baby.
Why?
Because I am a mother also and I love taking care of baby.
If somebody wants to enter in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will tell the employer immediately.
Okay. Which part of your employer's house should be kept clean at all times?
Toilet and kitchen.
Why?
To prevent odor and food poisoning.
Okay. If you accidentally damage something in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will apologize immediately to the employer.
Okay. What will you do if your employer give instructions that you don't understand?
I will ask them to repeat and
For clarification.
for the clarification.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No.
Do you have any special skills?
Yeah.
Like?
Like cooking and baking.
Are you willing to attend training or workshops to improve your skills?
Yes.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
I will keep busy.
Message for your future employer.
Hello, Mom and Sir. I am kind and obedient, and I am willing to do my best as an employee.
Okay. Love their family as if your own.
Yes.
Follow all of the rules and regulations.
Yes. Thank you, Mom and Sir. See you soon.